Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to host your website on Netlify using two different methods. First, we're going to be uploading directly from our local file. Then we're going to be connecting our projects to our GitHub. So by the end of this video, you have a live website ready for the world to see. So let's jump right into it. But before we dive in, let's talk a little about Netlify. So Netlify is a platform that allows you to deploy static websites, offering features like continuous deployment, serverless function, and an easy to use interface. It has a free tier, making it a great option for personal projects. So now let's get started. If you don't have a Netlify account, you can click on sign up and create an account. And okay, I had an account, so it took me there to log in, but you can create an account with email, password, or email and password, or via GitHub. So now this is my Netlify dashboard. So I'll click on this, add a new site. So firstly, we say we're going to be deploying via local file. So click on deploy manually, browse to upload, select the project. So this is the project I'm going to be hosting. This simple rock, paper, scissors project I built a couple months back. Reset, yes. So this is what I'm going to be deploying. So let's go back, browse to upload. And this is the project. Rock, paper, scissors. Yeah. Upload. And we wait for the project as it uploads. Okay, so it's done. Initializing, building, deploying, cleaning, and done. Now you can open your production. So you can see we have this on our live URL. But what if I am not a fan of this URL and Netlify gives you the ability to, or the feature rather, to change this URL? And I will show you how to do that. But firstly, this is the first method. So now we're going to be deploying via GitHub. Let me delete this first. So I think you go to site configuration, if I'm not mistaken, site detail, and scroll down to delete the site. I will just copy this, paste it right in here, and hit delete. So yeah, now that site is no longer valuable, as you can see. So now I'm going to click on add new site. We're not going to click on deploy manually again since we want to deploy it directly via GitHub. So I'll click on import an existing project. You can deploy with GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and Microsoft Azure. But I'm going to be using GitHub for this tutorial. So click on GitHub. If you're not logged in, create an account. And yeah, now these are all my repository on GitHub. I could select whichever one I want to deploy right now. But for this project, for this tutorial, it's rock, paper, scissors. Did I spell that right? Rock. Yeah, this 6 months ago. Click on it, and it allows you to pick your URL here, but I won't do that. I'll just click on deploy. Now it's building. Okay, so now we wait. And we have our site published on this URL. Click on it. Let's see. Voila, you have this on this URL. But like I said, I'm not a fan of this random URL, so we're going to change that. So for that, we will come to site configuration, site detail, change site name, and now you can pick the name you decide. I could say rock. Okay, yeah, scissors. Save. Okay, site name is taken. Um, hyphen web. Site name is taken. Okay, how about web hyphen rock paper scissors? Site name is taken. I can see there are a lot of rock paper scissors projects on Vassal. So rock paper scissors hyphen source code studio, source code studio, that's for short. Okay, that worked. And now you can click on that and you can see we've successfully changed the URL for our site. I think if you come to the old one, you can access it no more. And there you go. Your website is now hosted on Netlify using GitHub. Every time you push, the benefit of using GitHub now is every time I make a push, it automatically updates the live site. This method is perfect for ongoing projects that requires frequent updates. And that's it. Now you know how to host your website on Netlify using both local file uploads and GitHub. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share for more web development tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.